What's up, everyone? We're here today live in studio with the legends Syndrome and Reptile.
Hey.
What up? We're doing a shortcut challenge in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. This is inspired heavily by TWD98's shortcut challenges for Mario Kart Wii. If any of you guys have never seen that, go check it out.
Yeah, I don't know who he is. I watched some of his videos.
Yeah, he has some really cool, crazy stuff he does in Wii. He also plays this game some.
Yeah.
But for those of you who are unfamiliar with the way the challenge works, they will be attempting 10 shortcuts. There are 10 levels. Each level has 2 shortcuts assigned to it, but they will only be attempting one of each of the 2 for each level. So they'll flip a coin and figure out which of the 2 shortcuts they'll do for that level. They each get 1 attempt, and the different levels are worth different points. So JBB, you'll go first on the first one. Even number shortcuts. Reptile, you go first.
All right.
I like that.
If you are the one that is attempting the shortcut first, you'll also flip the coin for that shortcut. You have 4 power-ups you can use at any point. Your first power-up is the switch, which to play your power-up, you need to pick up your power-up and put it on the table in front of you emphatically without breaking it.
Okay.
And
I'm going to break the controller.
so, the way the switch works is kind of self-explanatory. You just attempt the other shortcut that you did not land on the coin flip if you feel like you have a better chance of making that one. And in some of the videos I've seen like this before, that would switch it for both players. We're doing all the power-ups only apply to you. So if it's a shortcut that you don't like and you switch, the other person still has to do the shortcut that it landed on unless they use their switch. Your second power-up is the doubler. So this is a copy of Mario Kart Double Dash, obviously. This is also a copy of Mario Kart Double Dash. You're going to have to trust me. I have 2 copies of this game. One of them came in a plain black case.
Yes.
So that gives you double points for the shortcut. Third power-up is your Uno skip card right here, and that is the skip. You can skip any shortcut you want for 1 point. So think about using it on the earlier levels because you'll get the full point value as we get into the 2 and 3 point shortcuts. You can skip it if you think there's no chance I make this, but you won't get as many points as you could if you made the shortcut. Your last power-up is what we're calling the try, like TRI-TRY, very clever. And that just gives you 3 attempts for the shortcut. You can combine any of them that are not the skip it. So you can
combine the double.
You can switch to get the shortcut you want, make it worth double points, and give yourself 3 attempts if you want to play them all on the same round, but you only get to play each one 1 time during the challenge.
Okay. Once it's on the table, there's no more use.
Right, and they all have to be called before attempting the shortcut.
Okay,
so
I
you
was
can't
about to ask
attempt it the first time and then be like, oh, I want 2 more tries.
I can't be like halfway through the shortcut and be failing the shortcut and be like, no, I want to try again.
Yep.
Okay.
Now, what you can do, if you would like to switch or skip, if you're the second person, you can watch the first person fail and then be like, wow, that's hard.
Yeah.
I'm switching or I'm skipping.
Got it.
So, JBB, if you would like to flip the coin.
What's
Where?
heads, what's tails?
So we're going to do heads will always be the first option, and tails will be the second.
Okay. Here we go.
All right, heads.
Heads.
So this is going to be the first one. This is the Mario Kart Stadium Ramp NISC, which NISC stands, of course, for No Item Shortcut. So while they're picking their characters and carts, we will let you guys know that levels 1 through 4 are worth 1 point each, meaning level 4 is your last chance to use the skip it for full value. Levels 5 through 7 are worth 2 points each, and 8 through 10 are worth 3 points each. With this being an odd number shortcut, Syndrome, go first. Reptile, you can follow at a distance, just don't interfere. So basically what you have to do is that ramp up there on the left, you see on Syndrome's screen, you have to get a trick off the top of that ramp without using an item. And it doesn't look like he's going to have the speed to do it. Here we go, Reptile on her attempt. Yes, and
What?
she gets the trick.
No.
So that counts as a point for Reptile. 1-0 in Reptile's favor. Reptile, you can go ahead and flip the coin for level 2. We'll see what one you are attempting.
Can you tell us what our 2 courses are for this?
So heads is going to be the Yoshi Circuit NISC behind the Piranha Plant coming out of the tunnel. Then tails will be the lap 1 NISC on Athens Dash, right before the glider section.
Heads.
And it's heads, the one you are both very familiar with.
So we're going to Yoshi.
Yep.
I actually like this. I'm
Thank
happy.
goodness.
Just come out with enough speed for a drift. Hop. There you go, perfect. Hop. Hop, drift. There we go, they both made it. Both of them started
No.
when they landed. For level 3, your options, heads is the path switches at the end of Big Blue. Tails is the ramp strat at the end of 3DS Rainbow Road. Oh, and the good luck continues.
Thank goodness.
Alright, so Syndrome coming up on the shortcut here. We're going to stick to the purple path, and we're going to switch back to the green. So drift, yep, there you go. Hit the boost panels.
No!
Left drift, and get your orange mini turbo. Let's see if Reptile can get all the panels.
I'm gonna miss a panel.
Alright, left drift, hit the panels, both of them.
I missed
both
one!
missing a panel.
No, I got orange turbo though.
Alright, that was our criteria for making it, was hitting all 3 of those boost panels in a race, realistically. I mean, you guys did both take the shortcut.
I thought that was
but
going
we're
to
not
be...
counted for the scores.
I was so worried about the second panel, I missed the third one.
These two are very similar.
Yeah.
So, heads is going to be the Shroom shortcut at the end of Toad Circuit. And then tails will be Electrodrome. So both of them are you need to mushroom through that off-road, and then you need to still come out with a boost. Alright, so you're going to be doing it on Electrodrome, which I low-key feel like is easier.
Okay.
This is also, I'll say, this is your last chance to use your skip power-up for full point value.
I'm going to skip.
He's
Alrighty.
skipping.
And JBB is skipping. Syndrome is skipping. Automatically gets 1 point for
But
this
I'm
power-up.
not gonna skip it. I've got
So if you
big
make it, we
plans.
still get the same amount of points.
So, well,
It's okay.
later on, if there's like a 3-pointer she doesn't think she can make, she can at least get 1 point for it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a strat.
Alright, here we go. Coming in the shortcut. 1 Shroom through the off-road. Gets her drift built up.
Oh, snappers!
Oh, hits the pipe. So that makes
That's
it...
a DQ!
That makes it an even game.
That's an even game!
Even at 2 points in round 4.
I should have skipped it.
They're getting a little trickier now. These are the 2-point shortcuts. Level 5 heads will be the double on Ribbon Road, one that I personally enjoy failing. And tails will be the drum shortcut on Music Park.
Heads.
Alright, Ribbon Road double. So Syndrome right here. First ramp.
No,
Here's the tricky
no.
part.
Oh.
Got the trick he didn't want there. Heading towards the double.
Stink.
Alright, let's see how Reptile does it. Oh!
Dang
Falling
it,
off.
this should have been my 3 try.
Falling off
Dang,
at the
okay.
beginning.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Right away.
Hey, we're tied right now.
Yes,
This
still
is
tied.
True. This is true.
I think for sure you guys are going to both get this no matter what it is, not to jinx you. But your
Dang
heads option is the gap jump at the beginning of Mount Wario. Tails is the Snowland Shroom cut.
What's the first? What's the first one again?
Mount Wario, the gap jump.
Oh, Mount Wario. Yeah.
And here we go. Reptile going for the gap jump. For our viewers at home, this is Shroomless.
Oh, snappers. I should have done 3 tries! I knew I should have done 3 tries! Bro, the pressure! I crumble! The Syndrome's got
Syndrome going for
this.
the lead.
This is Syndrome's jump into the lead.
For the lead right here. The lead by 2 points.
Yeah, that's massive.
Not that it's that huge of a lead because at this point all the shortcuts are worth 2 points.
Wait, all of them are?
Oh. I didn't have the orange turbo. I wasn't going to make it do
Yup.
it anyway. I was scared.
So you actually still might have made that if you let go and if you hopped right at the edge. This is still a 2-point shortcut, the last 2-point shortcut, so if you want to use your skip, you won't miss out on too much. Heads will be the Shroomless shortcut at the beginning of Madrid Drive. Tails is the Coconut Mall glider, which I know you were both practicing earlier.
Okay.
And if you fail it, we won't put the part where I said I know you were both practicing earlier in the video.
Can we stop getting heads?
Oh, alright, so Syndrome brought the loaded coin today. We have only flipped heads so far. No, I think we flipped tails like 1 or 2 times.
Okay.
But, so today, this is going to be the Madrid Drive Shroomless shortcut. If you guys want an example of this.
BAM!
Alright, skip it coming out from
Let's
Reptile.
see the...
Reptile getting 1 point and moving on to round 8. So here we go. Shroomless shortcut on
the trick?
Madrid Drive. Yep, get the tricks here.
Oh.
and then come out with your mini turbo with enough speed. Ideally, you want to hop out of that grass with enough speed to start a drift.
I got scared. Oh wait, I need a trick. Do both tricks.
Level 8, Reptile. If you want to flip the coin.
Are we tied?
No, you're up by 1 point.
Tails.
All right, Tails. So that is going to be Rosalina's Ice World. I already see the switch coming out. All right, so
Okay,
Reptiles.
wait, let me remember my plan. Wait, this is also...
This is the Ice Outpost double is what you're doing right now.
This is my extra tries.
Yeah.
Bam!
She plays the switch. She plays the try.
What will you do, Syndrome? He looks longingly down to the table of power-ups, contemplating his future choice.
Is this 3 points?
Is this 3 points?
Let's
He
see.
questions.
This is level 8. This is worth 3 points. It is indeed 8, 9, 10. Last 3 levels, all
This
worth 3
is
points.
All
Both players
3
also
points.
have their doublers available.
Okay.
Will he double it? Will he
no.
switch it?
No.
What will he do?
I will attempt the Rosalina's Ice World thing.
Okay, but I go first.
Yeah, you go first.
All right, so here we go. Reptile going for the Ice Outpost double. Rules for this is just make it off both sets of ramps.
But I get 3 tries.
Yes, she did use her
Do
try power
I
up.
don't need
Very
a shroom
clever
for
name.
this, do I?
No, it's shroomless.
Okay.
There we go. Perfect. Oh.
No! See, that was the part I was worried about.
Yeah,
That is the hard part. I'll say, I don't want to be the cause for you like messing up if you try this and don't make it. It's easier to not fall off that ramp if you land in a drift. Like, do not hop when you land. Hit your drift button before you touch that ice. And those ramps right there are not necessary for the shortcut.
Oh, thank goodness. Hey, Syndrome. Bye, Syndrome. Alright, attempt 2.
She had done pretty good. Good alignment. Oh.
Good alignment. Alright, I'm...
Yeah, just turn around. But Black Tube will pick you up at some point. Oh, he took the day off. Never mind.
Getting back up a bit more.
That's far enough, honestly.
Just a little extra. Just... We'll be good. We'll be good.
Come on, let's go.
Okay,
Come
okay.
on, all right, here we go.
Make it or break it.
No.
Oh.
Ah! The switches were worth
She
nothing.
used 2 of her power-ups.
No! This is devastating for the Reptile community. No! Should have
Wait,
practiced a bit
is
more.
it time yet? Or?
So yes, Syndrome going for the landing on the ice here with no half-pipe boost. Let go of it, and Trick.
I didn't trick.
Almost makes it. If he had tricked, he would.
I would. Oh no! Come on! If I had tricked, I would have made it. Oh.
So basically, what that shortcut is just waiting
that
for
was-
the ice to fall, like
I
it would
feel
be on
bad.
lap 2, lap 3, and then landing up there, no half-pipe boost. No
Why
pressure.
did I trick? I'm so mad at myself. I could have gotten a free 3 points there.
All right, on to level 9, Syndrome. He'll do the honors of flipping the coin.
Please heads.
Your coin's been...
Heads.
That coin is the lucky coin today. It's been landing on heads all day, which is what Syndrome has wanted for most of the shortcuts. So they have the DK Mountain Gap Jump.
Double. Double and try.
So he has played his doubler. He's played his try.
Wait.
That will give him 3 attempts to make the shortcut. If he makes it on any of those 3 attempts, he will get 6 points. So you just, whatever method you use,
I know.
make it across that gap. Don't fall in. Don't hit the
Wait!
fence when you land.
I'm doubling 2!
All right, Reptile, both of them worth 6 points.
You only have 1 try.
Yeah.
All right, so as you can see right now, we have 2 gamers, both gaming.
Yeah, sorry there's not a lot of discussion.
We're too busy being stressed that we're doing bad.
All right, so this is shroomless. All right, so here we go. Syndrome on his first attempt. A shortcut he has practiced, has pulled off in races, and won. Dodges the fence. He hit the grass, but he didn't hit the fence, so that counts. There we go. That's 6 more points for Syndrome.
Woo! Come on, come on.
Reptile making it as well.
I
Did
hit the
not
grass.
hit the fence.
She hit the. No,
Same
come
thing,
on.
hit the grass, but no fence. Reptile
Let's
also
go!
with 6
No! That was where I was looking ahead. Now you're still ahead by 1 point. No.
Chat! We did it.
I think that's the game unless I can hit. I can't hit either of these.
Reptile, go ahead and flip the coin. Heads is the ending glider NISC on Mario Kart Stadium, clearing all the sand. And tails is the GBA Mario Circuit glider shortcut where you land on the railing at the end of the course.
Heads.
Again!
Again!
JBB probably going this whole round without using the switch.
Am I ahead 1 point?
You are ahead.
You are ahead 1 point. You need to make this one for the win, and you do get first try. So we did start and end on Mario Kart Stadium right here. Going back to the basics.
Back to the basics.
Current standings are Reptile with 9 points and Syndrome with 8. Let's watch her go over. Oh, in the Lakitu zone.
No!
So holding wide so he can hit the blue part. Also in the Lakitu zone.
No! Oh.
No!
Alright, so that's the results of our shortcut challenge right here. We have Reptile as the winner with 9 points.
Let's go!
We have Syndrome.
If I tripped off of Rosalina's ice world, I would have won.
No, wait, no. Can you resume, please?
I'm sad. Oh well.
But
Good job.
congrats to Reptile, our winner. Thank you both players for joining us. We will be filming another video today as well. Who knows which one's coming out first?
Some sand. All right. Thank you, Vlad Batsy, for hosting. It was a lovely little event. I enjoyed
Thank
myself
you.
Thank you both
immensely.
for joining us.
I enjoyed the.
If you would like to retry any future visits,
Okay.
we can see if your scores improve. We can see if
I
see
hope
if
they
there's
would
a new
improve
winner.
if I practiced some more, because that was a pretty poor showing. But that's okay.
Yes, many of these shortcuts were first attempt for both players.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you. Thank you so much to everyone who watched this. And thank you to both players for participating. We will see you in the next video.
Bye.